I've been trying to pick this lock for a minute. It's been a minute. And I was having trouble for the longest time. And so the other day, I don't know what come over me, but I decided to pull it out of the drawer and give it another try. And don't you know, I popped it right open. Now, I did use some heavier tension, so I think that might have done the trick. Of course, next step is try to catch it on video. And so that's what I tried to do here. Mind you, it took me about 30 takes to catch this on video because for the first 29 takes, every time I videoed it, it would not open. And I mean, hours I spent trying to video this thing. And every time I would turn the camera off, I had no trouble whatsoever. This lock was such a pain in the ass to get on camera. I did finally get it, so let's take a look. Don't forget to like. Alright, so the Inaho Tierkey is a high pin count lock. It's got pins on the left and pins on the right. At least this model does. Some do have pins on top, but this one did not have that. Now, I don't know how many pins are in it, 12, 14, I'm not really sure. We'll take a look at the LPU belts after I'm done picking it and we'll check it out. But yeah, all I basically did was set any pins that were binding, and then I got into this huge false set, and I mean huge. It was so deep of a false set, I had trouble pulling my pick out of the lock to try to hit these pins that were counter rotating, so I had to let off tension a whole lot to get the pick to move through the lock. Those pins were counter rotating so heavily, it was super easy to figure out which ones, you know, needed picked at the end, and so it wasn't that hard once I got the hang of it. And I don't know why it was so camera shy at first, but there you have it, the Inaho Tierkey. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. In fact, if you don't hit the like button while you're watching a Lady Locks video, all of your picking mojo goes to me. So, I mean, I'll just leave it up to you what you want to do with that information. I will see you on the next one. Subscribe.